Are you a beginner looking to start building muscle? Look no further. In this video, we will cover the fundamentals of muscle building and provide you with valuable tips to get started. Before starting any workout routine, it's important to set attainable goals. Whether it's gaining muscle mass or increasing overall strength, having a clear objective in mind will keep you motivated and on track. To build muscle effectively, you need a well-structured workout plan. This can include a combination of weightlifting, cardio, and rest days. Consult with a personal trainer to create a routine that best fits your goals and fitness level. In addition to regular exercise, proper nutrition is crucial for building muscle. Eating a balanced diet with plenty of protein, carbohydrates, and healthy fats will provide your body with the necessary nutrients to grow and recover. Building muscle takes time and consistency. It's important to stay dedicated to your routine and make adjustments as needed. Remember, slow and steady progress is better than quick but temporary results.